Hi all, John here from My N3rd. We wanted to do a series of videos showing how easy it is to install My N3rd on things you might have already laying around the house. Today we have a space heater, which we actually already have a My N3rd installed on, but we wanted to go ahead and break down the installation to show you how easy it is and how we did it. So now that we flipped it around, you can kind of see what we have going on. We have a main power switch. We have the red indicator light, which will actually indicate that the power switch is on, which it is not currently. And we have a little green light that comes on when the thermostat is active. So if I go ahead and slide this all the way to off and then flip the main power switch on, I get my little red light, which lets me know that the system has power. But it's not until I actually slide the thermostat up that the unit kicks on. So right now it's going through its preheat phase. Once it gets to the desired temperature, the blower will turn on. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this all off here, and then I'm going to remove the screws, and we'll show you what's actually in the guts of this thing. So one thing to notice is that we took the wooden case out from around it, and basically you're left with a metal box. So you kind of notice this guy right here, this little SMA connector, which we'll attach our extended range antenna to. This will allow for better signal, as RF is going to be greatly reduced inside of the metal box. So we got all the screws taken out of this guy already, so I'm going to go ahead and pop it open and show you kind of what we have in here. So I'm going to take our lid off. And you'll see we have the N3rd device right here, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the SMA connector. And then this guy folds down. This wire off of there. So now you have the N3rd. Got a couple wires coming out of it. You have two wires that are going to the transformer, which is going to provide power to it. You have the SMA connector, and then you have two wires, which is going to actually turn the unit on and off from the switch, and I'll show you how we did that in a second. Okay, so here's the system. Basically all the guts of it. You have your fan and some wires that go to the IR lights on the interior of the system. And then you have the manual switch. So this switch provides power to the entire unit. And all we did to control the unit with the N3rd is to just provide a connection from one side of the switch to the other side of the switch through the N3rd, as opposed to the actual switch itself. So if we're at the unit, we can turn it on and off with the switch. Or if we are wanting to turn it on and off with our My N3rd app, we can go ahead and do that. And that's it. It's really that simple. Alright, so now that we have it buttoned up and plugged in, we can go ahead and take our phone with the N3rd app open and turn it on. Thanks for watching this installation video. Be sure to check back over the next couple weeks as we'll be posting more videos. Have a great day.